there for a while. They want to stare there. So look what you did.
Yeah, dude, it's about to fucking... Look at these clouds. Look how close they are to us. Look how fucking low these clouds are.
Yeah, a tornado might form.
Yeah, exactly.
That'd be awesome. That'd be fun. I'd love to just be like right here, and he forms like, you see it right there, it's form, you know? Yeah, they're fucking level, dude. Yeah, we're in the best spot.
Did you hear that? It's like wind. 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 Fire. Water. Holy shit.
Oh, great. Yeah, at least the wind's like going like this, so we're not gonna get wet, you know?
I have to change on it once the fucking storm comes. I was gonna climb down right here. I was gonna jump right here. I was gonna duck and I was gonna hide there. I was gonna jump on the balcony and climb down.
For what reason?
Whoever was knocking at the door.
Oh yeah, that would be so easy. That's a pretty far jump.
That's a fucking easy jump for me. I wouldn't do that.
From there to the ground?
There to down there.
Oh yeah, that's no big deal.
I planned my fucking escape. I was looking down some. I was like, what's this? Shot the focus like that.
Oh, I got it. Yeah. Get up, man.
Why?
Why? Take this back. Stop it. You're not getting wet, dude. Come on. I don't know. Because I wouldn't be standing here. Yes, sir. That is it. Yes, dog park. The dog park stuff. I didn't know if I could get it.
What's this bicycle? What's this one?
Strikes the glass.
I don't want that.